Hi, welcome to the Art Distributor channel. I'm Karina, and today, together, we're going to create an amazing mantel swag. Let's do it! Here's what you'll need. Artificial foliage in two varieties, Christmas tree balls, glass and plastic in red, beige, blue, gold and burgundy colors, red artificial berries, pearls, jingle bells, decorative key, pine cones, ribbon, glue sticks, and a glue gun, scissors and pliers, gloves, and of course a fantastic Christmas mood. I've been crafting these garlands for 10 years now. They not only last long, but also bring joy to my clients. In the video, you'll see my order. That's only the half of the garland, since I don't have a massive fireplace at home to display it fully. By the way, the fireplace you see in the video was made by me using budget-friendly materials. It's a fantastic addition to Christmas decor. Here's a video where I explain in details how to make it. Now, let's get to making the garland. We'll start by cutting necessary pieces of the base artificial foliage. It adheres well with glue, making the garland more durable. I create the garland in two parts for easy storage at the end of the season. The garland is difficult to cut, so it's better to break it. I vigorously move my hand to let the wire break naturally, due to temperature and divide. It's quite energy consuming. Now we separate all the branches and arrange them as needed. We make the garland beautiful and full, shaping its form and height. My garland can reach up to a diameter of 40 centimeters, but upon request, I adjust it to not exceed 35 centimeters. I highly recommend performing all operations with the garland wearing sturdy gloves. Working without them can cause numerous small cuts on your hands, which can be quite painful. The frame is ready. Now I'm babying the second type of foliage, something brighter to achieve a more natural look. The next step is adding red berries, large balls, and pine cones. Then we'll give the garland a classy style by evenly distributing all the elements. We'll add small glass balls, jingle bells, mini bells, and pearls. Finally, we'll finish by attaching ribbons. It's essential not to overheat the glue gun to avoid any mishaps. And there you have it! Our garland is ready. It'll beautifully complement your Christmas interior, adding coziness and festive vibes. If you'd like a similar garland or need my assistance, feel free to reach out. I am ready to fulfill your order and ship it anywhere worldwide. Wishing you fantastic holidays and inspiring creativity. Goodbye for now, and until we meet again. Bye bye!